My name's Gary and we live in Chapel Hill. Our issues with our roof have gone on for quite a number of years, and we've had 2 or 3 other firms have a go at patching the roof. No one actually said what we really needed to do, which was have a new roof. So I started to lose confidence. I phoned Certified Roofing. I said, what I'm looking for is professional, not just a practitioner. A practitioner can do the job right. They can drill a hole. A professional will do the right job right, not just the job right. And he said, I get you, Gary. And so we went from there. Professionals turn up on time, do what they say they do, finish what they start, and say please and thank you. And he said, I get all that. And he has satisfied that all the way through. The team are quality people. I thought, well, okay, I've met the managing director, but I bet things will fall away after that, which has happened before in other contractors we've had at our home, painters, etc. And you know what? It didn't fall away. They were terrific. They were friendly. They said please and thank you. They did anything that we asked and wanted. They gave us the answer. We were the centre of what they were doing, and so the experience went all the way through. My experience with certified roofing has been A1. In fact, I'd recommend them to anyone that needs a professionally done roof where they have someone listen to them and then perform to what the client wants and expects and gets that outcome.